Plug in the power cord and connect to the power. In shutdown mode, press and hold the start button for 6 to enter the temperature unit select mode. Turn the start button to change the temperature unit. Click the start button to choose centigrade or Fahrenheit. Click the start button to turn off the heat press machine. The lid will move up automatically. Turn the start button half a turn to right to enter the temperature setting mode. Turn the start button to the right to increase the temperature and left to reduce. Turn the start button half a turn to the left to enter the countdown setting mode. Turn the button to the right to increase the time and left to reduce. We use this machine to heat press a tow bag. Put the tow bag on the platform. Put on a Teflon sheet to prevent overheating. Click the start button. The lid will close automatically. The lid will move up after the countdown ends. Press the start button for 6S to turn off it.